Welcome to Alim's One, and in English to English vocabulary section, the word for today is fatigue. 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 A noun and a verb, both. When we use the word fatigue as a noun, it means temporary loss of strength and energy resulting from hard physical or mental work. Boredom resulting from overexposure to something, but it must be used with a modifier. Like, any example, rest due to fatigue of party affairs. Too many matches in a row, I'm suffering from cricket fatigue. When we use the word fatigue as a verb, it means lose interest or become bored with something or somebody. Exhaust or get tired through overuse or great strain or stress. If you have understood the word fatigue, then try making a sentence or two using the word so that you can remember it easily. If you got any benefit from this video, then please like it and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Good luck.